The tea and coffee was $2.79 each. That's where they make the money, in the tea and the coffee. Not a lot there.
You watching yourself? Pauwi na tayo guys. We're so tired. Yes? Are you tired also? I'm sure you were tired. Oh, no, no. Hello. See you. You watching? This is nice.
So today,
So busy.
we've done 13,000 steps.
Ito guys ang ating place. Tulog ang ating baby. Tulog. Yun ang ating gamit. Makalatagad siya. Iba pang nating gamit. Ang ganda ng view sa labas. Oh, mga boat. May mga nakatira daw dyan, sabi ni Mr. Tsaka allow sila tumira dyan. Basta naka-registered daw. Ang galing, no? Punta ulit tayong London, guys. Ang dami. Train ulit. Same?
Yeah.
Tulog ng ating baby, guys. Where are we going?
Where we went yesterday. That way.
It's nice. Diretso na tayo sa embassy, Philippine Embassy. Taray ko kung makakaboto eh.
Yeah.
Tapos na tayo guys. Magpa-register na kami ng birth certificate.
So do this one while it's green. Going down there.
The Royal Park.
It's sunnier.
Gonna cross?
Yeah.
Tawid na lang ng tawid si Mr. Basta. Oh!
That's where we're going.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah.
How's your heel? Where are you? Wait. Hina. She's looking, no? She's falling asleep. Makakatulog na naman ang ating baby. Kayla? Kayla? You okay? Wait. Ang lamig naman. It's so cold. Punta tayo guys sa Royal Park. Pero ito ay park din. Punta tayo dyan mamaya.
A jinak ti rodiče nebo celá královská rodina, jako
Lips! Huh? I didn't see that. I can see, because of there's a
So I'm bringing the flags.
tourist.
You have to walk right round.
What they saying? Not allowed to go? Are you allowed to go in?
No.
You have to pay? Let's take a picture. The wheels on the bus go up and down, up.
even if you use it for Instagram.
Another one what?
Told you.
Where? Two. Another one there. Nakakapagod lang maglakad dito, guys. May sundalo ulit sa loob. Lives.
Yeah.
That's where they live. Yan pala ang kanilang bahay.
I think you had covered it.
It's fine. But someone is asleep. Oh. Won't remember this, Michaela. You were asleep. 1, 2, 3. Ganda niya. One, two, three. She's snoring. Ganda niya. One, two, three. She's snoring. There is a royal. Is it Royal Park?
This
What do you call this park?
St. James's Park.
Saint James's Park? Ah, St. James's Park pala. Invento. Si Agus. Sige na, bye.
My boss wishes a
It's nice to sit.
It can be a bit nasty in geese.
I know. Ah, St. James Park, the Royal Park. Also the Royal Parks. So that's what they have in the lake. Gaylagus. Graylag. Lamig guys, kahit malamig guys, may ice cream na nagtitinda. Bago pa lang nagkakadahon ng mga puno dito sa UK. Iba marami naman ng flowers. Ganda oh. May mga puno. I can see the Ferris wheel. Oh, what is that? Eye of the London.
London Eye.
London Eye. Eye of the London. London Eye pala. Baliktad. Uy, another another one. Uy, another one. Why they call it apple tree white? Ay, ayun lang nakatakat. You okay? Ito lang ang gusto. Doesn't look cherry blossom, but it's pink as well.
Cherry blossom's pink.
The
Apple
flowers,
blossom's either red or white.
that looks small. Hello. Okay, na wag. Hi. Hi. Are you okay? You're so happy, anak. Hi. Ito pala ang kanilang map ng park. Ang laki. Nakakapagod. The Royal Park. Ganda naman ito. Tinakip sa ginagawang building. Parang tunay. Oh, you can wait. Don't cross. It's red.
Look. Try it. I don't think it'll let you in. Oh.
This station is Charing Cross. Change here for Bakerloo National Railway.
Type stuff.
Train.
Train? Train. Train, 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 train. So empty na ang train. Someone is on there. Yeah. Stay there, Michaela Wood.
We don't need to put her in this, do we? Is it?
It's up to you.
No, I might as well just cover you.
Okay. Mister. Kayla. Hi. Hi. So tired. So tired, Michaela.
Turn me right. 11 roundabouts.
11?
No, there's only... We came this way in, idiom.
Michaela is really sleepy. Uwi na tayo, guys. Mahaba-habang biyahe ulit to. 4
I'm not
hours.
sure what that is. I
3
think
hours
it's American
something.
football.
So, ayan na. Ating baby pagod na pagod. Hindi nakatulog sa train.
Oh, look.
So, ayan. Matulog na siya. Antok na, antok na. Sana'y makatulog na ang bata.